Are you looking for the best backup cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best backup cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. LeeKooLuu HD 1080p Backup Camera Rear View Monitor Kit. The LeeKooLuu Backup Camera Rear View Monitor Kit offers a plug-and-play system that connects the reverse camera and monitor via a 4-pin cable. It features a high-performance IP69 waterproof camera that is equipped with 149-degree viewing angle, 6 white LED lights, and a color HD license plate camera. The parking line's width is adjustable and the image can be flipped between mirror and facing view. The kit comes with a 4.3-inch LCD display monitor that can be rotated 360 degrees and mounted on the dash or windshield. What we like: easy installation process, clear video quality, responsive customer service, long cable included, versatile mounting options. What we don't like: picture quality drops at night. Monitor mount could be improved. Number 2. Pemacom P15 Magnetic Solar Backup Camera. The Pemacom P15 backup camera offers an easy installation process that takes just 1 minute, thanks to its strong magnetic base. This camera provides enhanced image clarity, especially at night, making it safer for you to drive in low light conditions. With a powerful digital signal, you can enjoy stable video transmission without interruptions, ensuring that you see everything clearly. Additionally, the camera features an impressive battery life of up to 24 hours, supported by a solar panel and fast charger, making it ideal for long trips. This combination of features enhances your driving experience and safety on the road. What we like: easy installation and setup, strong magnetic mount, clear image quality, reliable wireless connection, long battery life. What we don't like: solar charging slightly slow, large monitor size for cars. Number 3. PixelMan PMD2AS Rearview Camera. Introducing the PixelMan PMD2AS Rearview Camera, the latest addition to PixelMan's lineup of high-quality backup cameras. This upgraded camera features a continuous upgraded 1080p AHD chip for excellent image output, even under strong or dark lighting conditions. It also supports HD and AHD switching, allowing for improved definition, signal stability, and durability. The 1/2.7 in AHD 1080p large chip enhances brightness, color saturation, and night vision performance. With its 170 degrees wide-angle optical glass HD lens, you can easily see everything behind your car when reversing. The PixelMan PMD2AS is also IP69 waterproof, ensuring its longevity and reliability. With its sturdy alloy housing and perfect installation options, this rearview camera offers convenience, safety, and peace of mind for your driving experience. What we like: clear sharp image quality, easy installation process, wide viewing angle, versatile front or rear use, responsive customer support. What we don't like: instructions lack some detail. Wire thinness could be improved. Number 4. LeeKooLuu 7-inch Wireless Backup Camera. The LeeKooLuu Wireless Backup Camera offers a quick and easy installation, allowing you to set it up in just 20 to 30 minutes without complex wiring. You can enjoy high-definition 1080p video on a large 7-inch monitor, ensuring clear visuals for safer reversing, parking, and towing. The built-in DVR recording feature captures every detail on an SD card, so you never miss important footage. With a simple click, you can switch between camera views or use the split-screen mode for comprehensive monitoring, making your driving experience safer and more convenient. What we like: easy installation process, clear and crisp monitor display, reliable wireless connection, excellent night vision, automatic 1080p video recording. What we don't like: cable length could be longer, customer service access limited. Number 5. AUTO-VOX Solar Wireless Backup Camera with 5-inch Monitor. The AUTO-VOX solar backup camera offers a quick and easy installation, letting you set it up in just 2 minutes without any wiring or drilling. This saves you both time and money while ensuring a secure fit with anti-theft screws. Its advanced wireless technology provides a strong, clear signal up to 52 feet, so you get smooth, reliable video without interruptions. The 5-inch HD 1080p monitor delivers sharp, colorful images day or night, making parking and reversing much safer and easier. Plus, the powerful 5,000 mAh battery can last for months on one charge, supported by solar power to reduce the need for frequent recharging. This means you stay worry-free while driving. What we like: easy wireless installation, solar-powered battery, sharp, clear image, wide-angle view, good night vision. What we don't like: power cord length preference, camera angle adjustment range.